All right, guys, here we are. This one took a little longer to get to. Behind me like a yard. So, cold. So here we are. Kind of a more of a bigger thing to rail fan. Behind me is a yard. Barry got cold. Glad I brought two with me. It's low at 58%. Really? But there's this area over here. Brother used to work for those guys over there a long time ago. A lot of trucks over there, all parked in there. So I'm gonna walk across 35W here. Little rail fanning here. New Brighton. Tell it's kind of big business complex here. So like low battery. Did 2 videos. I mean, it's not that cold, but it is what it is. Yeah, it's all kinds of stuff here. It's like a pretty well-used rail line. Want to knock these things off. Had to kind of drive around, and I'm like, okay, let's go over here and go over there, and I'm like, trying to find it. All right, here we are. So we walk the light rail. They're using cement, which is stupid. Now they're going to go, the blue line's going to go to Brooklyn Center, Brooklyn Park. That's going to be a crime-ridden. That'll be really interesting. Still not work. By the time this comes out, shoot, it'll be another 2 more years before I can trains on what I've videoed. Gotta be careful when you're walking here. Break an ankle. I was over there. I'm like, no, I'm not going to try to walk across here. So I had to drive all the way around over there to get over here. Yeah, we'll go across 35W here. Yeah, it's 420, man. Smoke we got today, I guess, right? Supposed to be smoking geef today. You know, light it up. You know, now you get marijuana here. By this time, this comes out and buy geef and legally get higher than draft's ass, right? So. I'm going to go across 35W here. Here's 35W. I was up there last time, so there's a couple on 100 I might want to get a chance to get to, but there's one also on 694. I got to figure out how to get to that one. You can tell that probably used to be another rail line right there. Got some. Surprised they don't have people come up and throw rocks or something, so I'm surprised they don't. Yeah, it's a nice day, a little cold out, but what the hell? Got to get outside. So, what the hell, right? So, not too much trash. That's 35W. I don't know where this leads to. A lot of this is Canadian Pacific. Does a lot of this is their rails. I don't know what all that's about. Somebody's coming down the railroad track right now with a dog. A lot of work. Railroad likes to tear a lot of stuff up. People like to throw trash, you can tell. As they go by. But no business over here. Warning, no trespassing, right? There's all kinds of stuff here. I figured get this last one out of the way. A little rail fanning never hurts to try, right? So anyways, guys, half a whole shoestring, right? A little rail fanning. So hope you enjoyed this little 3 thing here at 420. Smoke if you got them, right? So we'll see you guys in the next one, all right?